Hey guys, welcome back and Happy New Year! This is my first video for 2018 and I wasn't ready. I mean, where did 2017 went? Because I wasn't ready. I mean, time flies too fast, needs to slow down just a little bit, Anyway, I wasn't ready. No. For today's video I have 3 Birchbox boxes, but I'm going to open just 2 of them because I don't want this video to be 7 years long because nobody got time for that. So I'm going to open my November and December Birchbox 2017 and I'm going to do a separate video for my January Birchbox because this came yesterday. So yeah, I'm going to get through these boxes like very quick and very fast. So I'm going to start with the pink one because this is from November, and let's open them in order. Alright, so this is how the box looks like. It's black and has cute little flowers, very girly. Oh, I see a coupon code, and this is to print my 10 favorite pictures, and I have to download the app Cheers. And yeah, this was available till December 31, so I'm late. So bad. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. Okay, let's start with this. This is from Humankind and is 2-in-1 in shower body moisturizer. Ooh, sounds good. The full size is 20 euros and 95 cents. Okay, so let's see. Next is this hair mask with argan oil. This is from Luseta, and I think I got a shampoo and conditioner from them a few months ago. I don't know exactly. So this is a hair mask with argan oil, and it says moisturize and shine, and the full size is 25 euros. I think it's a little bit expensive. Anyway, don't mind me. So it says that this helps grow your hair. I'm into that. Smells good. Okay, so let's see next. This black pencil, this is from LOC. This is the Birchbox brand, and I got the color black tie. This is a gel eyeliner, it says. Oh, so creamy and so black. Very pigmented. Super creamy, super creamy. Let me see. I barely touched my... Anyway, this is a full size and is 8 euros and 50 cents. Alright, so I have 2 more products. This is from Thermaliv, and I think I got something from this brand a few months ago. This is a night cream, and I think I got a serum or something like that. So yeah, this is a night cream, and the full size is 17 euros and 90 cents. And the last product is this cute little guy. It's the last product, okay? And this is a night recovery serum. Oh, so I got the night cream and I got the night serum, so that's cute. They are different brands, but I'm excited. This is from the brand ISDIN Facial Solution Night Repair Concentrate with Melatonin. I have no idea what melatonin is. Melatonin. Flavo-C. So I think I got another blister. How is that how you say ampolla in English? Anyway, but it was a white box. I don't know. I don't remember. But it was from this brand, ISDIN. Okay. So the full size for this is 33 euros. So yeah, I'm excited to try all these. yeah, I think it was a nice box. Okay, so let's see the December one. This is so pretty, so sparkle, and it has baby pink zipper. So cute, so cute. Okay, so the theme for this month was you are gold, baby, solid gold. This is Birchbox Sparkle. Okay, so I forgot to mention the theme for the November box, and it was un cuento de otoño, and I think a fall fairy tale. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. Oh, chocolate! I see chocolate! I see chocolate! Woohoo! This is from Linden Sensation Fruit. I'm sorry, guys. I have to try this, okay? Ooh, look at this! It's so small. I have to. This is pure chocolate. This is a little bit more big. Oh my god, so good. I'm sorry, okay? So, we have more hair care. So, this is by the brand Novex, and I think I got something from Novex a few months ago, and it was leave-in conditioner, I guess. It was in a golden bottle, something like that, and it was very good. I think it was a heat protector, something like that. I love that from Novex. So this is a deep conditioning hair mask, #1 seller in Brazil. Okay, so this is with Brazilian keratin. This is €7, so it's not crazy expensive, and is very intense hair mask with keratin, and yeah, I now want to try this. Brazilian Secrets. Let's see how this smells. Oh my god, that chocolate was amazing. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, okay, I got that on my stash. Okay, so let's see what we have next. Next, we have this. This is highlight and contouring from Essence. I haven't seen this in stores. So this is the contour stick. Yeah, I don't know what to say. And this is the highlight. The highlight feels very creamy, but I don't know. Okay, so this is from Essence, as I already said, and the price is €5.95. So yeah, I don't know what to try this. I was playing a little bit with this contour stick. I don't know if you can see, but this is like patchy. You can see that, but it's very creamy, and I hope this blends nice. The highlight is very cute though, so I cannot wait to play with this. Oh, this is in the color brownie. Okay, so let's see next. Hand cream? Hope not. This is from Naobay. Orange juice foot cream. What? Okay. Let's see. The full size is €16.20, and I really love this brand because it's natural and organic, and their products are like very good. The skincare is very good. The hair care is very good. I haven't tried their foot cream, so yeah, it has tea tree oil and orange juice. I think this smells like orange, obviously. Yeah, it smells like oranges. So yeah, I cannot wait to moisturize my foot with this cream. Let's see, next I got this face serum. This is from Atashi and I think I got this in October. I'm not exactly sure, maybe it was a face cream, something like that. But this is a face serum. And it says Atashi Cellular Perfection Skin Sublime and Antifatigue and Regenerate. What? Antifatigue and Regenerate. Oh my god. Alright, so hold tight. The full size for this is 55 euros. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, so this is the last product. I have a silica gel. This is. So the last product is this Manna Kadar. What is this? Liplocker, and this is in the color Pinot Noir. But it's so little. I like the color. I think I'm going to try this. Let me see the full size. Oh, the full size is 26 euros and 50 cents. I think I'm going to try this right now. Okay, the worst swatch ever. Alright, so I just applied this lip lacquer priming glass stain. And I really love the color. At first when I applied it, felt a little bit sticky, but no, it's very comfortable. And hydrating, feels hydrating. So yeah, this is in the color Pinot Noir and I think it's very pretty, very pretty. It doesn't go very well with my eye makeup. Alright, so this was my December Birchbox and I'm pretty happy with what I got. I mean, the beauty bag is gold. So the contour stick from Essence, I hope this blends well. I'm excited to try this expensive serum. I hope this does wonders for my skin. And the lipstick, I really love the color. So don't forget the chocolate. And don't forget the chocolate. Okay, so this was my November and December Birchbox unboxing. I'm going to wrap this video right here. I'm going to wash my hands and then I'm going to film my January Birchbox, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Let's see. I don't know why I did that. Oh no, please, no. Okay, let's do this. What? Pinot Noir, Pinot Noir, Pinot Noir, Pinot Noir, Pinot Noir, Pinot Noir, Pinot Noir. You know how do I look like I have darker skin? What is this?